Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So you can see this week the postman was a bit busy with my address. He bring me all this stuff, and it's because I'm working in some project, and I'm gonna tell you later on the video about this project, so please watch till the end, like that you're gonna understand about which project I'm talking. And maybe by the voice you notice I get a bit of cold, so today we're going with tea. So without further ado, let's start open these bags. So let's get my Sharpie knife, which I received maybe 1 month ago. It doesn't want to come out. Okay, so let's get my Sharpie knife out. And I'm gonna put the video over here. Go and watch, and you're gonna find also the link from where to buy if you like to have a Sharpie knife like this one. And let's come with the first one in, which is that is posted from here from UK. And let's see what we have inside. I think I cut some paper, so here we go. So here we have some thermistors, and this is related to the project that as I mentioned on the beginning of the video, because involve also some thermistors on that project, and they needs to be easy attached to the heatsink of that project. So I order for that project that I say that you're gonna find out later on the video. And more of that one I think is nothing in this box. So let's have a look from where I buy, how much I pay on, and how fast they moved over here. The thermistor I ordered to eBay on 15 October and I received them on 19 October, so 4 days delivery. You can see delivered on 19 October. Let's see the listing. So the listing say 2 times MF 52D 10K 3950 1% high precision NTC thermistor leaded with tag UK seller, costing £2.69. And as I say, this I ordered for the project that need for to build that inverter. More to say about this item: 4mm mounting hole and 10K value, 1% tolerance. Let's enjoy a bit of tea. And let's bring the next one over here. This is quite bulky, huh? Quite bulky, yeah. So inside the bag there is a box, and the bag is empty. And let's see what's inside of this box now. Okay, empty box. Here we go. So we have a power meter, which I ordered same for the project that I am working on, because first I want to measure how much is consuming my appliances like computer, the monitor, the soldering station, everything what is around of my working bench, because I want to try to see if I can do a small solar panel project. So I'm gonna show you also during the video the things that I decide to do for this project. So watch till the end, like that you'll not miss any news about that project. And if we are here, there is instruction manual also about how to work on it. Let me bring a bit that cable over here and see first if it's working, to make sure that everything is alright and everything is working how should. The cable doesn't want to come more, I don't know why. Okay, let's take this adapter out from here and try to plug to see if it does do anything. So you can see, turn it on and show me the kilowatt power and definitely how many they consuming. and here we're gonna have instruction how to use it. So let me find something to plug as a load and see if it's measuring something. So maybe I can bring my soldering station over here, this T12 soldering station, and let's see a cable. Let's power to see how much is consuming this this T12 soldering station. So let's turn it on, and it should tell me. So if I do, okay, so here is the voltage and the hertz. Here how many amperes and how many watt power is consuming. So it's on 390 degrees and we are consuming 12.3 watts. If I increase, if it's going more, so it's gonna stay same always to that. And if I stop it, yeah, so see, when it's not powering, it's consuming maybe only 1.6. Yeah, so it's a good device that I want to measure, like the computer, how much watt power is drawing, the monitor, the soldering station, and to do a calculation and then to see how much watt power I need for an inverter. So let's see how much I pay on, how fast is move over here, and from where I buy it. The power meter I ordered on 7 October from eBay, and I received them on 17 October, so 10 days to be here. Let's see the listing. So the listing are still there, they are still selling, and it's costing £11.98. Electricity power consumption energy meter monitor UK plug-in watt kilowatt analyzer. And let's see what say. Specification: color white, plastic, the measurement, wide voltage range, operating current maximum 13 amps can measure, and the frequency and voltage display range from 0 volts to 9999 volts. The current display from 0 to 13 amps, hertz, same is going from 9999. Yeah, so I buy also this one to measure all the appliances around and to make the calculation how many watt power I'm drawing, to understand how many watt power I need to build the inverter. So let's see the next one what has in. This one also come from here, from UK. And the unique thing to see what's inside is to open and check. So we have a bag with several transistors or whatever they are. So let's have a look how many in total we have there. So in total we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15. So 15 pieces of IRF 3205, which are same for that solar panel project, and is because I will gonna try to build my own inverter. So that's why I need first this one to understand how much power I will gonna draw around here in order to understand how much power I need to generate with the inverter. Because here in this bag I already gathered almost all the components that get involved for this inverter. I'm only waiting something to come from AliExpress, or also what is involved from this inverter. So I'm gonna show you later on a video about what I'm talking. So a few resistors, few capacitors, some trim pots, some other MOSFETs, because I have also the IRF 1010, which are a bit lower in amps than the 3205, and I had also before just 2 pieces or 3205 IRFs here on all these. So now I should have a total of 17 pieces, and I think this project will gonna involve let's see, 4 in parallel, another 4 in parallel, another 4 in parallel, and another 4 in parallel. So 16 of these MOSFETs Then we have a transistor, then we have a voltage regulator, and these are the components almost all ready for this one, for this project. Let me put them back in a bag, and let's go to see how much I pay for these MOSFETs from where I buy and how fast they moved over here. The power MOSFETs I ordered it on 15th October from eBay, and I received them on 21st October. So it took like 6 days to be here. Let's see the listing. So the listing says IRF740 or IRF3205 single N channel XFET power MOSFET transistors. So you can choose pack between 1 piece, 2 pieces or 5 pieces. So I selected the 5 pieces pack, and if you buy more packs you get more discount. So I buy 3 packs, in total 15 pieces. So let's see what we can say more about this MOSFET. I don't say. So drain source breakdown voltage is 55 volts for the IRF3205 and the IRF740 is 400 volts. Gate source breakdown is 20 volts, the same for both types. Continuous drain current for the IRF3205 is 98 amps, and IRF740 because have more voltage that can handle less current. Dissipation 150 watts for the 3205 and 125 watts for the IRF740, and the case is TO220-3. So I buy also this one for the same project that I say, the inverter. So it's gonna be the driver MOSFETs, it's gonna drive the transformer, which I still need to look for one, and I need to find a good one at 12 volts with a really high amps and rated maybe 1000 VA in order that I can really build a powerful one. And stay tuned, when I'm gonna figure out the transformer I'm gonna start building this project. Let me finish this tea before it's getting cold, because to drink cold tea is not that good, and especially when you have a little cold in your body. Okay, and now let's come with the last one. Last one looks like, by the label says coming here from UK. Maybe it's a dropping shipping for a seller from China, because the sender is Jiangxiang, and as a description is a clamp meters. So if it's the clamp meters, this means same, it's regarding this project, and I'm gonna explain you why. Yeah, it's the clamp meter. Here inside nothing. And maybe I'm gonna also do a review on this clamp meter, on one video dedicated only to this clamp meter, to see all the function and how it work, and if it's worth to buy one or no. So let's try to open. So from there I cannot. Here is don't say even which model is. They should say which model is, by the way. So in the box come another pouch. So the box is empty, and in the pouch what we can find, our clamp meter, which is very tiny. I hope that come with battery, or I need to look for some batteries around here. I hope that I have some spares for now. Let's first get this plastic open from here. Yeah, there is no batteries. Here is some manual instructions. Comes with very cheeky. This one should work like that. And this one are the lids. Let's see which quality are the lids. So they are really good, flexible. Nice pins. They say that goes to 10 amps, 1000 volts. And yeah, it don't look bad. So now let me see which battery I need to look for. So they are AAA or AA. So let me find some battery and see how that works. So I find finally some batteries around here. I noticed that I don't have in stock almost nothing, so it looks like it's working. And from here you can deselect the auto and keep it in normal. Here you have diode, capacitor, resistor, continuity, hertz, and AC drawing current. So this means I will not be able to measure DC current. I buy more this one because I was thinking that I can measure how much current is drawing through the DC battery when I'm gonna build this inverter. But it looks like this one will not do that. And this one is NC. I should be able to get some beeps. So you can see here it's detecting non-contact voltage is detecting. Let's see in continuity if this it's quite fast or no. So this is the common and this is the red. Let's see how fast it is. It should beep. Why don't do beep? Let's put in continuity mode. Continuity. So here we are in continuity mode. Yeah, it's quite fast. It's quite fast. But it's not the one that I need. I need something that measures DC voltage amperes with the clamp, because with the normal standard multimeter you can measure up to 10 amps maximum. But an inverter can draw more than 10 amps, so this means I need to look for another one that makes sure measure DC current through this one. So now let's see from where I buy how much cost me this really cheap multimeter and how fast move to over here. The clamp multimeter I buy from AliExpress and I ordered it on October 13 and on 22nd October it's here. So this means 9 days to be here, which is really quick from AliExpress. I never meet something quick like that. So let's see if I read wrong when I order it or really I don't pay attention on that. As in the picture I can see that is just the current of AC and not DC. But if I go to description, it's I can measure AC, DC voltage, AC current. See, only AC current. So yeah, I should pay more attention when I order, because I wanted to measure like how many amps is drawing the inverter with the load from the battery, because normal multimeter it's measure up to 10 amps, but definitely an inverter from the battery they will gonna draw more than 10 amps, so I'll not be able to understand how many amps I'm drawing. So now I need to do some more research and I need to find one that measure also the DC current. If you have any suggestion for this clamp multimeter that can measure also DC amps, please let me know in the comments below. I'm more than happy to understand to find more quick one that is measuring also DC current. This is the schematic of the inverter that I want to build. So practically this part here is a module that you can find easily from AliExpress and is not costing too much. So it's practically, this is the function generator, would generate the 50 Hz, the pure sine wave, and then you just need to build this stuff behind here. So it involves, as I say, 4 MOSFET on the schematic, but I want to use in parallel 4 MOSFETs here and 4 MOSFETs here, 4 MOSFETs here and 4 MOSFETs here, so in total 16 MOSFETs. And as I say, this transformer, it should be 12 volts and 220 volts or 240 volts, and I need to look for, I don't find it yet, because it needs to be a really powerful one, at least as I say 1000 VA in order to drive more power. And then almost all these components I already have, just I need to look for the transformer and this module. As I say, easy to order from AliExpress. I ordered it, but I don't receive it yet. So practically is this module that I ordered already, but as I say, I don't know when I'm gonna receive it. He say that 15 days delivery only in all orders over £8.99, so that's why maybe it's taking a bit longer. So stay tuned, guys. Please subscribe, activate the notification bell, like that you'll not miss also this project that I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna definitely do some videos on how to build this inverter, how powerful it is, and how many devices you can drive with it. So let me show you also the batteries that I have around, because everything starts when I've put my hands on few batteries in order to have a lots of amps. These are all the battery packs that I was talking about. So I have here 50 amps, another 50 amps hour, and I have here 18.2 amp hours, 18.2 amp hours, and another 10 amp hours. All of them are the same voltage, so just combine them together on parallel, and I'm gonna have a lot of amp power. So that's why I want to see now how much power is drawing my computer, my monitor, the soldering station, the oscilloscope, the power supply, what I have around, and add another maybe 10% on the top of it if I'm just, let's say, testing an amplifier. Definitely it will gonna be some more drawing power over there, and combine all this battery together. I want to see how many power I need to generate with an inverter from these batteries. So that's why stay tuned, please subscribe, activate the notification bell, like that you'll not miss the future videos when I'm gonna start working on this project. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, and until the next video, guys, have a good day and bye bye.